Did you know you can get trained professional assistants on an as-needed basis? There is a resource available to you that can help you complete tasks and free your time. A virtual assistant can accomplish many tasks, from general administrative to more specific business building tasks. If you are a business owner with too many to-do tasks on your list, you may want to listen up. Hi, I'm Melissa St. Clair, Chief Worker Bee at Paper Chaser Biz LLC. In this video, I will review 10 ways a virtual assistant can help you build your business. Many people are entering the world of entrepreneurship like never before. Owning your own business provides freedom, but it can also be overwhelming at times. There are so many tasks that need to be completed. If you are working with an already overworked team or no team, it is hard to stay on top of everything. The answer to your overwhelm is to hire a virtual assistant. You can hire a VA for the work you need to be completed. No long-term commitments required. You can establish a not-to-exceed time budget with your VA to limit the number of hours they work per month, thus limiting your expense. You can find virtual assistants who specialize in a particular niche or industry. For example, I specialize in working with small business owners, helping them with communications, operations, and project assistance. Let's take a look at 10 ways a virtual assistant can help you build your business. Business correspondence. A VA can help you stay in communication with your customers and vendors. If you find yourself writing the same or similar emails throughout your day, a VA can create a template that you can simply copy and paste. Email campaigns. Staying top of mind to your clients is crucial to the success of your business. Creating an email campaign that goes out regularly to your clients, potential clients, and vendors will remind them you are ready to help them. Courtesy calls. This personal touch will allow your business to check in with your clients to ensure they receive their products, were happy with your services, or need something more. Proofreading. The best written copy may have errors. A second set of eyes to review any written work in your company's name will create a good impression. Media releases. Creating a buzz around what's happening at your company is essential. Celebrating accomplishments, announcing new products or services, or bringing on a new team member are reasons to create a media release. Social media. Creating social posts is a time-consuming process. Creating good content is vital to obtaining subscribers to your business pages. Also, monitoring and responding to comments is important to developing a loyal community of followers. Event support. Events can be virtual or in person. There are many worker bees needed to pull off either an online or an in-person event, starting with getting people to sign up and then following up after the event. Internet research. The amount of information available online is overwhelming. The need for research is a must in any business. Having someone to do that research will prevent you from going down the rabbit hole seeking stats and facts on the internet. PowerPoint creation. We have become a very visual society. Great-looking slide presentations are a must for webinars, events, and training. Webinar assistance. Having the right support team behind you will help you create a successful webinar. Assistance is needed in the planning phase, the day of the presentation, and follow-up afterward. The reassurance of having a reliable right hand will help you relax and give a compelling presentation without worrying about technical issues. Where do you currently need help in your business? These are a few of the areas that I help busy small business owners handle regularly. You may hire a virtual assistant for a one-time job or keep them on a retainer-type basis to help you out as projects arise in your business. A good virtual assistant is worth their weight in gold. or honey and can help you increase your business revenue. I'm a certified virtual expert. To maintain this certification, I have to meet industry standards on an annual basis. All virtual assistants do not attain this level of professionalism. If you are interested in finding out more, please contact me for a free consultation. You can contact me through my website, paperchaserbiz.com. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. If you could like this video and comment below, that would help me grow my channel.